Okay, we are continuing the Chapter 13 final project, week 3, Tuesday, December 15th, 2026. For the first transaction, it says we received the products in the bill from GLJ Car Detail Supplies, PO number 1004, ordered on December 14, terms net 15. So we'll click on new, and this is a bill, so we'll click on bill under the vendors column. And the vendor is GLJ Car Detail Supplies. The terms it said were net 15, bill dates 12/15/2026. And this bill is for PO number 1004. There is already items on this bill from the previous time we did a bill for GLJ Car Detail Supplies, so we delete these. And then we can see the amounts for and what it is for the PO that we had from the previous day, and we'll click on add these, and then we'll click on save and close. And the next one is return a stapler purchase at Office Superstore and record a credit card credit for $18.75. So we'll click on new, and under the vendors column, about third from the bottom, is credit card credit. And the payee is Office Superstore. The bank credit account we are crediting it back to is the Visa. Payment date's 12/15/2026. The category will be supplies. Previous day on Monday, December 14th, 2026. Previously, we purchased general office supplies. I'm assuming this was purchased on that date and we just didn't need the stapler, so we are returning it. So the description we can put in is stapler, and the amount is $18.75. And then we'll click on save and close. And then the third one, we wrote check number 10015 to D Motor Company for miscellaneous service supplies and accessories for the display case in the lobby. The amount was $258.45, and the category is purchases. So we'll click on new, and we'll go to check, and that already gives us our check number of 10015. The payee is D Motor Company. Looks like D Motor Company is not a payee that we have in our system yet. So we'll click on add new and click save. And payment date is 12/15/2026. The category is purchases. Okay. And then here it is for miscellaneous service supplies and accessories. For the display case. In the lobby. And the amount for that is $258.45. Okay. So then I'll click on save and close. And then we got an invoice for Mike Carson at Carson Auto Sales for 10 small car full interior exterior detailing services, and 6 large car full interior exterior detailing services, and 1 electronic odor elimination. So this will be an invoice. We'll click on new, and out of the customers column, go to invoice. Customer is Mike Carson. Date is 12/15/2026. Products and services, it's a full interior exterior detailing for a small car, and the quantity for those were 10, so we'll change quantity to 10. And the next one was for a large car, so same thing, full interior exterior detailing large car, and they said the quantity for those was 6. And then also we had 1 electronic odor elimination. So we have 10 small car full interior exterior detailing, and then 6 full interior exterior large car detailings, and 1 electronic odor elimination. And then we can click on save and close. And then we receive check number 1770 from Erica Jensen for the balance on invoice number 26-112 and invoice number 26-114. So we'll receive payment. So click on new, and under customer column, receive payment. And the customer was Erica Jensen. Payment date's 12/15/2026, and it said she paid with a check. And the reference number or check number is 1770. And deposit to is payments to deposit. And it says for the balance on the invoice number 26-112, so the first one, and then also invoice number 26-114. So the total amount for that should be $1,701.20. And the invoice number 26-132 is not being paid at this moment. So then after that, we will click on save and close. And then we received cash from Leslie Johns for a hand wash. So this is a sales receipt, so we'll click on new, and then sales receipt. And the customer is Leslie Johns. Payment date or sales receipt dates 12/15/2026. He paid with cash. And deposit to is payments to deposit. And it is for a hand wash. And then we can click on save and close. And then we have a invoice for Becky Craig for glass polish, vinyl rubber dressing, and wheel rim polish. So click on new, and we'll go to the customers column to invoice. The customer is Becky Craig. The invoice date is 12/15/2026. The products is a glass polish, a vinyl rubber dressing, and a wheel rim polish. And change the select tax rate to Riverside. And then we can click on save and close. And then it's saved. So that's it for Tuesday, December 15th, 2026.